Mila's Magical Kitchen. In Mila's small town, everyone knew how special her kitchen was. One day, the town's children heard stories about Mila's magical kitchen and were very curious to see it. Mila decided to throw a special food party and invited all her friends to her magical kitchen. On the day of the party, Mila and her little friends were busy in the kitchen. They made colorful juices, magical cakes, and Mila's specialty, rainbow vegetable pancakes. The children were amazed to see ordinary ingredients transform into delicious dishes in Mila's hands. While enjoying the food, Mila also taught the children some simple cooking skills. They learned how to decorate their dishes with colorful vegetables and fruits, making them even more tempting. The children discovered that cooking was not just about making food. It could also be an interesting art form. That evening, Mila's family and the little friends sat together, sharing the food they had made. They laughed and enjoyed this special evening. Seeing everyone happy, Mila felt extremely content. The food party not only sparked an interest in cooking among Mila's friends, but also helped them understand the importance of spending time with friends and family. From then on, Mila's kitchen became the most popular place in town, where children frequently gathered to cook together and create happy memories. Mila's story tells us that the kitchen is not just a place for cooking, but also a place filled with love and laughter. By cooking with friends and family, we not only learn new skills, but also strengthen our bonds with each other.